Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2015 Bison Silverado. It is an all aluminum Bison. It is in excellent shape. This trailer actually was on my lot before. It came back on trade on a brand new trailer. Absolutely nothing drastically wrong with this trailer. I'm going to point out everything that I can see and be completely transparent about everything about this trailer. The cool thing is it's been here on the lot before and it was well taken care of by those customers that purchased it, brought it back to me on trade. So it's an excellent trailer. So it is 8 wide, it is 7'6" tall, it is a 31-foot box. It is a 15-foot short wall with a slide. Again, it is a Silverado. It does have and these are upgrades, so it does have the upgraded enclosed front. Behind that front is the battery box, 2 batteries, 2 propane tanks, and a spare tire. It does have the stainless nose. So that's an enclosed front, and that's an upgrade in most trailer brands. White in color with graphics. It's got 3 drop-down windows with bars, an escape door with a flip-up step at the escape door, aluminum wheels. It does have a hay rack with ladder. As far as the outside, there's no big scratches, big dents, or anything like that on this side. It does have a rear ramp. It does have the fold-up rear tack. It has a blanket bar, 3-tier saddle rack, and that saddle rack is removable. That rear tack is collapsible. Brush box. There are tie rings in the floor underneath the mats. If you did want to actually put an SUV, listen to me, a 4-wheeler or a golf cart in this trailer, it does have them underneath the mats. It has the airflow dividers. It's fully lined and insulated with roof vents. It does have the lower divider. It's very big and open in here. It does have the nice big drop windows on the rear, so you get full airflow. Does have a walk-through door. Chest strap, chest bar there in that corner. So it's got 4 tie rings. It's got 2 up front and 2 in the back. And then you'll see it's got the rings here. They actually tied motorcycles in here. So it does have those tie rings in the floor and on the back wall. Horse box is in great shape, no issues. There is 1 tear here on the fabric and it's been taped. So just 1 tear there. All right, coming back around. Again, this side of the trailer is in excellent shape as well. I've got 3 drop-down windows. It's got a power awning. We'll get you out of expanded. So power awning. It's got a flip-up step at the dressing room door. Stepping up in the LQ. The slide is out. That slide does make a bed. So that slide does make a bed. That couch does make a bed. It's got cabinets galore. So there's cabinets completely all the way around the nose of this trailer for storage. So cabinets all the way around. It does have a TV. And all those cabinets open. It does have a TV. This does have a 2-seat bar, so it has 2 bar stools. Those you definitely have to sit up on this bed and transport. They will not stay where they're at. So it's got a rear galley kitchen. It does have a closet here, right when you walk in the door. Has a camper screen door. These cabinets above, you've got plenty of storage above. These go all the way through. Got a countertop here with a bar. Big fridge, and you've got a pantry here. They've actually put in some extra storage here. So I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, it's a little storage shelf. Big fridge. Spinning around, it does have a oven, 3-burner gas top stove. It's got the nice counters with the covers over the sinks for extra counter space. Didn't have this light on. Extra light there. It's got a convection microwave, and again, plenty of storage in this trailer. It's got a ton of storage. The bathroom is huge. It does have a solid door to the bathroom. You can actually come in the bathroom and shut the door. So, bathroom has a walk-through door to the horse box. It has a full closet with double hanging space. It has another closet here. Like I said, this has a ton of space. Sink and vanity here to your left. The bathroom's huge. Shower is the big shower. They put a new shower head in here. It's a very big shower. Now, I'm standing on this floor. On trailers, the floor from front to back is aluminum. So underneath this floor is a subfloor. It's got laminate and then a subfloor and then aluminum floor from front to back. So why I'm explaining this is there is some sponginess in this floor. This trailer is not leaking. It has not had a leak while it's been here. To my knowledge, it did not have a leak the last time it was here. Atypically, and if I sell a lot of trailers, guys, so I can't remember when it was here before. Atypically, and what we think my RV guy has been through this trailer completely, is this toilet valve probably leaked at some point, not recently, and it made the subfloor underneath soft, okay? It is not causing any issues, but in full disclosure, full transparency of all used trailers here at Carolina Trailer Sales, I want everyone to be aware. Again, it's not causing anything. It's 100% cosmetic. But I wanted to explain that because these trailers are sold sight unseen all over the country. So, again, there is no leaking. There is no issues with any leaks whatsoever in this trailer. We have tested absolutely everything. But just true transparency, when you get here, you can feel a little bit of soft space. It's not causing any issues, and my RV guy assures me that everything on this trailer is 100%. So just wanted to point that out, and of course explain to you how trailers are built. And they, you're not going to go through the floor. It's got an aluminum floor from front to back, but it's that subfloor basically that's gotten wet at some point, probably due to the toilet valve, which is an atypical thing. We see that a lot. They do leak over time, especially in your winter months. If they're not winterized correctly, that's why you should definitely winterize a trailer correctly and put the RV antifreeze in the trailer. Now, the decor in here, I left it. I think it's very nice. So there are a few pictures in here. They will stay in the bathroom here, in the living area, and then in the kitchen, galley kitchen. So again, 2015, super nice interior, excellent trailer, super nice, taken care of. 2015 Bison Silverado. Just kind of back up one more time, give you another visual. This trailer's in great shape. Again, no complaints on this trailer. It's been well taken care of. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out about this trailer, and go to carolinatrailersales.com for its price and any more information, pictures, and description. You guys have a great day.